السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 11 of our Arabic learning series, where we are learning numbers from 1 to 12. The first number is
1,
which means 1. Next is
2,
meaning 2. The next number is
3,
which means 3. After that comes
4,
meaning 4. Next is
5,
which means 5. The next number is
6,
which means 6. After that comes
7,
meaning 7. Next is
8,
which means 8. The next number is
9,
which means 9. After that comes
10,
meaning 10. Next is
11,
which means 11. And the last number is
12,
which means 12.
Practice these numbers by counting objects around you in Arabic. Repeating them aloud will help you remember them better. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing your numbers and all the new words you've learned. Next up, Arabic Learning Series, Part 12, Transportation. Get ready to explore vocabulary related to travel and vehicles. Goodbye and peace be with you. See you in the next lesson.